All right, so we are going to learn how to do video or picture overlay using CapCut. So if you see a video on Facebook or anywhere that you think you would want to repost or add improvement on, take note, due to copyright violation as a content creator, you are not supposed to download a video directly and upload on your page. You might get copyright violations and strike for that. So if you see a video that you want to repost, so you need to add improvements on that video. And you can add improvements by adding your own. You have to add your own video analyzing that particular video. So that act is called overlay. So that's what we're going to learn today. So I'm going to show you again how to carry out video or picture overlay using CapCut. So after downloading, I believe you must have known how to download a video on Facebook. So if you don't, you can let me know. I will show you. I'll take you through a brief tutorial on how to download a video on Facebook. So now let's get started. So after you have downloaded a video the video you want to repost on Facebook, you go to CapCut. As you click on CapCut, you click on new project. You can see new project. So you click on this new project. Once you click on new project, it will open your album where you have your videos. That video that you downloaded, you will see it here. So assuming I want to work on this particular video, this particular one, I don't know if you are seeing it, this one, if you are seeing any highlights, if this particular one, you can just click on it. Once you click on it,
My people, come see the kind drawer when
and
you go
see,
feel you stay hide
you have
money
to come
inside your
here
room.
and
Nobody go ever feel no. With this type
add,
of drawer, your money is safe
click on
forever.
it.
Just ask your
Click on it.
carpenter.
Once you click on it, it will be added to your project. Then take note that this video
My
has
people, come see the kind drawer when you go feel you stay hide money inside.
volume, right? Background audio rather. So what you need to do is this. If you want this background audio
My
to
people, come
be
see the kind drawer when you go
fine,
feel you stay
if you
hide
don't
money
want,
inside your room. No,
I will take you to another tutorial on how to mute video. For now, we are talking about overlay. So now I need to add my own. I must have pre-recorded a video analyzing this particular video. I want to post this video, for instance, on Facebook. So I must have created a video of myself analyzing this particular video. So after I have done that, I will now come here. Make sure you are not selecting anything, because if you see that if I select this video now, this particular video, I can see I'm not seeing any. I won't see overlay. So you have to click out. Once you click out, nothing is selected. Then you can now see, come back. You see overlay. So you click on this overlay here, and then you now click on add overlay. Can you see this? You can see this. Click on it. Then you now go to that your video that you have pre-recorded analyzing that particular video. So let's look for a video that looks like a reaction video. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I'm looking for a particular video. I have videos that a reaction video that I've made. So you go, I'm searching for it. I've gone for, let's see. Okay, something like this. Can you see this video, this particular video? So I want to use this. I'll click on it. Remember, this one has its own audio. So let me add it. So after you have added this video now, you have to adjust this video and position it appropriately so that it doesn't cover the entire screen of the other video you are trying to analyze. So how do you do that? You pinch on the video, your overlay. Can you see? You pinch in, it reduces. Pinch out, it increases. So you do that. Then let's say I've attended the size I want. I can now position it. Or like now I want to position it here because I already have someone else's face that reacted to a video on this particular video that I'm using. So I want to cover that person and replace that person's face with mine. So I'll take it up here. So this is the position I have chosen for my overlay. So I add it here. Can you see? So if you click
My
play,
people, come see the kind drawer when you go feel you stay hide money inside your room. Nobody go ever feel no. With this type of drawer, your money is safe.
you can notice that they both videos are playing at the same time. So on our next tutorial, I am going to show you how to work on the audio. For instance, if I am talking on my own video, I want my own voice to be heard. So I have to mute the voice of this other video. So if at a point I do not want my own voice to be heard, I want the main video's audio to be heard, I can now unmute and mute my own. So we're going to prepare a tutorial separately for that one. So after we are done with the overlay, so what I was supposed to do, you click on export. Let's assume we are done with our project. We click on export. You allow it to export. Kevin, come. So it's completed 100% now. So you can choose to share it when any way you want to, either on WhatsApp or Facebook. So this is WhatsApp. So I'm going to share this video with you right now so that I can replicate. So but before I share with you, I need to rewatch it. So I will share to myself first, watch it and see. Let me share to myself first and watch it that everything is in order before sending it to you. So it comes with a link. So I'm going to delete this link. Then you now share the video to the WhatsApp as the normal way you share videos. So that will be all for today. So in our next class, we're going to look at how to mute and unmute volume and also learn other features, other editing features using CapCut. Stay tuned, guys.